Tayo.
So palabas na kami ng gate. Papunta kami ng Tokyo. Yun na. Dito kami ngayon sa Sudigaura, Japan. Chiba, papunta kami Tokyo. Okay, we ride? Let's go, let's go.
Balik mo. Mamaya.
Ah, mamaya. Let's go, let's go.
Okay.
Hello.
Good morning.
Good morning. Okay.
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 Nagaura Station.
Yeah, nagkaroon.
Show passport, okay?
Yeah. Nandiyan naman lahat ng mga na-short pass eh, no? Ito yung mga kasama natin. Hey, sumakay dyan guys. So dito sa may Japan, normally yung taxi dito, Laka Metro eh. So ito kasama ko dito, ito na si Kuya. Yeah. Hi. Hello. Ohayo gozaimasu.
Ame desu.
So kasama namin si Kiko the Great. Ayan, first time lalabas ng airto. Unang-unang labas Tokyo agad. So big time na big time po tayo mga kaibigan ha. So tapos na kami immigration ano. So babalik daw kami ng 1900 dito mamayang gabi. Kasi magtutour kami sa Tokyo lang naman. So yung taxi namin ano.
Tokyo lang.
Yan o, unti-unti na kaming naliligaw ngayon. Ano, hindi namin alam kung saan kami sasakay. Tayo na. Umakit lang kami pero hindi namin alam kung tama ba itong ginagawa namin na to. Buti na lang kasama namin si Kiko. Pagka nagkaligaw-ligaw kami, siya na lang gagawin naming alay. So ngayon, nag-aurati. Bili tayo. Nag-aurati Chiba. Transport to platform. Go Akihabara.
Akihabara.
Yeah.
Nani?
4.
4.
Yeah.
その他One way.
Yeah, one way. Yan, 4. Pala.
Oh.
Ano to? Isang ticket na lang to.
Okay.
Thank you. So yan, medyo nakakatanga, di ba? Okay. Sige ka oh. Geng. So ngayon, saan tayo? To Chiba. Ayun. For Tokyo and Chiba in Tokyo. Dito tayo. Down.
Chiba line. Chiba in Tokyo.
So ngayon, dito kami sa Nagaura ba to? Station? So Nagaura Station kami. Papunta kami ngayon muna ng Chiba. Pero bumili na kami ng ticket, around 4,000 yen. Direkta na to papunta ng na Akihabara. So mamaya transfer lang kami ng train. Alright,
let's go. Let's get it on.
At 29 and I find myself wondering what did happen to the last 10. I ran away with my life, fast forward, never turn back again. It's kind of funny that the more we pass time, the more we need to set the rewind.
Yeah, medyo nawawala na po kami, no? Nasa Tokyo Challenge kami ngayon. Ayan o. So makikita niyo po, ayan o, Akihabara Station sa likod ko. Right.
Let's go. Akihabara Station.
Game Nabi o. Nasaan na sila? So, nandito na kami sa Akihabara, naghanap kami ng papalitan ng pera. Ayan, ATM oh. ATM lang pala. Nawawala-wala na kami ngayon. Ngayon, nahanap naman namin ni Stock yung PC, nakapagpapalit na kami ng pera. Ay, ito, isa pang pupunta natin mamaya. This one. Pero doon po muna tayo sa mga ano. Mamaya pupunta po kami dyan.
その代わりちょっとゴミ出すわ。
Kiko in the house. Yo. So, ibig sabihin, malapit na tayo sa ano. Ito na. Lugar ng mga anime. Yan. Yan o. With the guys on the back. Okay. So, this is the fucking Akihabara. Yan. Ang mga slot machine. Makasama ko. Ba? May computer. Sana all day.
Sabihin ka harap namin. Oo nga. Pinaganda na kasama ko. Pangalan niya.
So dito yung mga bilihan ng mga anime. Parang ano tayo, capital nila ng mga anime. Yan. So pupunta kami doon sa Tokyo PC.
29 and I find myself wondering what did happen to the last 10. I ran away with my life, fast forward, never turn back again. It's kind of funny that the more we pass time, the more we need to set the rewind. And 19 was the year I had to leave you, but now I'm seeing all the signs. Is this really happening? I can't believe it's true. I'm just as surprised as you. Is this really happening? I can't be too sure, but one day I'll be yours again. Life lessons come one in a dozen. The other 11 get something from nothing. I sit here looking for an answer. Maybe the biggest question was in the last chapter. You gave me the soul I have today. Without you I never could have moved away. But now I see what you teach. I do believe I always should have stayed. Yeah. Is this really happening? I can't believe it's true. I'm just as surprised as you. Is this really happening? I can't be too sure, but one day I'll be yours again. One day I'll be One day I'll be yours. One day I'll be Life lessons come one in a dozen. The other 11 get something from nothing. Life lessons come one in a dozen. The other 11 get something from nothing. Life lessons come one in a dozen. The other 11 get something from nothing. Life changes just open the door. One thing's certain, I'll always be yours.